Trying to connect your Joy-Con 2 controllers from the Nintendo Switch 2 to an iPhone, iPad, or Mac can be surprisingly frustrating. You might put the controller into pairing mode, open Bluetooth on your Apple device, and still not see it appear or it connects but doesn't actually work in games. This happens because controller support on Apple devices depends on specific compatibility standards, and not every controller is fully supported right away. In some cases, it's a software limitation, while in others, it's a pairing issue or a simple setting that's being missed. The confusing part is that everything looks like it should work, but one small requirement can prevent the connection entirely. The good thing is that once you check the right things, you can quickly figure out why it's not pairing and what you can do about it. Try these. Step 1. Make sure your Joy-Con 2 is in pairing mode. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Step 3. Check if the controller appears in the Bluetooth device list. Step 4. Ensure your device is updated to the latest iOS, iPadOS, or macOS version. Step 5. Restart both the controller and your Apple device to refresh connections. Step 6. If still not working, note that full compatibility may not be supported yet.